I watched one video on foundation paper piecing and quickly became obsessed. Let me show you a quick tutorial on paper piecing. Paper piecing is like paint by numbers, but with quilting. Here I have my pattern piece and 2 pieces of fabric that will cover the number 1 and 2. You are going to put right sides together and then flip your pattern piece over, making sure the fabric square covers number 1. Then you will turn your pattern piece back over and sew along the line between 1 and 2. On the fabric side, you will iron where the second fabric covers number 2. Then you will grab a piece of fabric to cover number 3 and repeat the same process. Paper piecing is basically just adding new pieces of fabric in the order of your pattern, and you are sewing along the lines between the numbers. When you finish a pattern piece, you will cut the excess fabric and paper along the dotted line. After you have all your pattern pieces created, then you can start sewing them together. Here you can see we are going to join this A pattern piece to this B pattern piece along this line. After sewing all the pieces together, this is what my quilt block looks like. There's only one more step, and that's to remove all the paper from the back of your quilt. To make this easier on yourself, it's recommended to use a shorter stitch length. I like to use 1.5.